Serve customers flavorful smoked and slow-cooked meat with the Backyard Pro 60-inch charcoal and wood smoker. This heavy-duty wood smoker features a black powder-coated finish to resist scratches and scuffs. Its 3 adjustable cooking grate heights offer versatility, while its large 1,100 square-inch cooking surface can smoke ribs, brisket, or even an entire pig. The grates and slide-out ash pan are removable, making the unit easy to clean. Monitor the temperature throughout the cooking process with 2 easy-to-read thermometers. You can also adjust the side vents and chimney flaps to control airflow. Plus, it comes with 4 heavy-duty casters for easy mobility on your patio and transportation to events. Enjoy perfectly cooked, deliciously flavored meat every time with the Backyard Pro charcoal and wood smoker.